Paano nga ba mag-multiply ng 3-digit number by 11? Same rule tayo dun sa 2-digit number by 11. So separate natin yung digit number sa left and right, that's equals to 2 at saka 1. Then after na mapaghiwalay natin, we will just simply add the number na magkatabi, that's 2 at saka 4. This will become 6. Then we have 4 plus 1, that's equals to 5. Therefore, final answer natin is 2,651. Same, ang gagamitin po natin sa number 2, separate lang natin yung 1 at saka 6. Add natin yung 11, that's 1 plus 1, that's equals to 2. Then we have 1 plus 6, that's equals to 7. Final answer, 1,276. Now for number 3, 4,479 multiplied by 11. Same rule, separate yung 4 at saka 7. Then add muna natin dito yung dalawa. That's equals to 11. Then add din po natin dito yung dalawa. That's equals to 16. Nagkataon na sumobra tayo sa 10. Pag sumobra tayo sa 10 or more than that, kinakailangan natin mag-carry over. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang ating magiging final answer, we have to carry over 1. Magiging 5 na po yun. Then, ito naman po ay magiging 2. So, magiging 5, 2, 6, 9. This is your final answer. So, ganun lamang po. Ganun din po ang gagawin sa number 5. Kasi same po sila na meron pong remainder. So, that's, sa number 4, we just separate 2 and 3. Then, add natin yung 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 3 is 6. Final answer, 2,763. O 53 rather. That's 53. Then, dito naman po, 8 and 5 or 6 rather. Separate natin. Then, add natin yung 8 at saka 5, 13. Add din po natin yung 5 at saka 6. That's 11. Then, since magkikarry over tayo, magiging 9. Ito naman po ay magiging 4. So, your final answer ay we have 9416. Good luck. Have a nice day.